We are at Lilian Raven Clothing's sewing class, and this beautiful woman is actually pinning a dress that she's making for an event. She's got the shoes and everything. So we basically adapted a pattern. We used this one to make the dress, but she's going to make it shorter, and it's going to have more of a V in the back. And then it's going to have this fancy swing out part, which is going to be made of this fabric. We're excited.
Very, very excited.
We're cutting a V in the back of the dress. She says she's not a good cutter, but she is. You gotta trust the process. Okay.
So this is my summer slip dress. This is the back. It's gonna be a deep V. This is the front. So it's starting to come together. Very nice. I like it. Very cute. Okay, so now I follow this line. Yeah? Okay. Okay.
Let's see the back. So we're gonna cut a diagonal stripe through this, and we're gonna add this fabric. Hold it so we can see.
Sort of like right here.
So
it's gonna be so bomb. It's gonna be so pretty. So pretty. This is fine. Okay. Okay.
We got some boss sewn on over here.
Absolutely.
Okay.
And
now what we're doing is sewing into the middle of the back.
Okay. Making sure it's still.
Look at this! Oh my goodness. So you can see we've added this going in the opposite direction.
Oh my goodness.
And it's looking really, really, really good. Wow. Let me see the back.
Deep V.
Deep V.
In the back.
And then this fabric on the bottom is actually like a whole different piece of fabric from the actual thing. And we did the same on the front. And she did that.
So nice. Thank you.
This is the first thing you made?
Absolutely. Yep.
Super.
Very beautiful.